How to kick someone off your PSN, which is PlayStation Network account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Without getting any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, go to your PlayStation Network website. For this, open any of your preferred web browser and then go for PlayStation Network website. After that, you will see a sign in button on the top right corner. Tap on it. This will ask you to log in using your PSN credentials. Once you log in into your account, you have to go to the account settings. Now from there, tap on login and password section, and in security section, click on edit next to password field. Enter your current password, then create and confirm a new password. Now once you have changed your PSN account password, anyone currently logged into your account will be kicked off, as they will now need to enter the new password to log in back. So that's it. This method ensures that no one can access your PSN account without the updated password. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.